In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom field tasks in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the list that contains the tasks you want to work with. This is important because custom fields are added at the list level, so you'll want to make sure you're in the correct location before making any changes. Once you're inside the right list, look across the top of your task table where the columns are displayed. Next, click the plus add option next to the columns at the top. As soon as you do that, the Fields panel will open on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel is where you can manage the fields available for that list, and it makes it easy to either add an existing custom field or create a brand new one if needed. In the Fields panel, use the search bar to look for the custom field you want to add. If your workspace already has that field created, you can quickly find it here and add it to the list. This can save time and help keep your setup consistent across tasks and projects. If the field you need doesn't already exist, click Create to make a new custom field. You'll then be asked to choose the field type. This matters because the type determines what kind of information the field will store, such as text, numbers, dates, drop-down selections, or other formats. After that, enter a clear name for the field and configure any options that apply. Taking a moment to name the field properly will make it much easier for you and your team to recognize and use it later. Once everything looks right, click Create to add the custom field to your list. You should now see it appear as a new column alongside your existing task information. From there, find the task you want to update and click inside that custom field column for the specific task. Depending on the type of field you created, you can either type in a value or select one from the available options. This lets you store extra details directly on the task, making your workflow more organized and your information easier to track. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom field in ClickUp and updated a task with the information you need. Thanks for watching.